is the greatest day of my life!
Family Movie Classics, Sunday mornings on 5.
We've supersized magical fun with Clifford the Big Red Dog, our family movie, next Sunday at 11:30 here on 5. Now, Jim Carrey stars in Lemony Snicket's A Series of Unfortunate Events.